Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Crypto Flight Edition. It is your fellow passenger stopping in just with some technical details on the Dogecoin and USD pairing. No news or anything else other than the price action. If you're just stopping in, welcome. We'd love to earn your subscription if anything that we say on the channel is useful information, or if you find any valuable information in the content. That's kind of redundant, the same thing. But either way, we'd love for you to subscribe. And the loyal subscribers, welcome back. The YouTube algorithm is picking up on the channel due to your engagement and appropriate thumbs. Thank you for that, your support. Let's go ahead and, I think the title suggests that Dogecoin reaching like $1 or something like that. So I'm going to entertain this. Let's have an open mind here before we go over the details. And I just want to explain to you why I've gotten that price target and how I've gotten that price target. So let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right. So today's February the 6th, 2021, and the current price of Dogecoin is going to be 5.1 cents. It's up approximately 0.8% for the day. Okay. All right. So here's what I found. And also, before we get over I've found a large consolidation range. I have a date that it could potentially take place. So just kind of stick with me here. But before we get into that, I want to show you all the exponential moving average that we went over on the previous video. It's a 50-day exponential moving average. And here it is right here. Okay, that's it. Really simple. Ladies and gentlemen, what you're looking at is I'm looking at tradingview.com. It's an authentic, unmanipulated EMA ribbon. I say that, specify that because my technical guys, they follow me. And sometimes you'll find an EMA ribbon and it's been manipulated. So yeah, EMA original on tradingview.com. And I just revealed my consolidation range that I've identified speculatively, right? Not guaranteed is within this range. But we said 4.7 cents all the way up to 7.9 cents. Dogecoin has a potential to be stuck within this range for some time. I do have a time frame, but I just wanted to show you all that the exponential moving average has actually moved up a little bit. I think we said 4.1 cents, but right now it's at 4.3 cents as of today, March 6, 2021. Okay. So I'm showing you that in conjunction with the consolidation range. Well, we'll get to this consolidation range. I actually want to show you a different time frame. So right now we're looking at the daily time frame. I want to show you the 3-day time frame, and just to kind of paint a picture that the bulls may not want to see, but I'll show it to you anyway. All right. So what you're looking at, ladies and gentlemen, is the exponential moving average, the 50 moving average, but this is from a 3 days perspective. Now, I think this is important because notice the financial strength actually came into the market. The closer the cryptocurrency got to this 50 exponential on the 3 day. You see that is kind of close, like right here. And it didn't take much time, right? Because of this breakout area that we're going to go over here in 1 second. But I just wanted to point this out because the closer the price action is to the 3-day exponential 50 moving average, the better. I think the more sustainable financial strength will step into this market. And if you notice, it's well below the price there. If you see that, it's currently at about 2.4 cents. Now, this isn't anything to kind of get anyone nervous or anything. You shouldn't be getting nervous because, again, you should have a strategy before you enter these markets. Please have a strategy. Execute your strategy. That basically means know how much you're going to risk, and when you enter the market, know where you're going to take profits, and know where you're going to take a stop loss if the market goes against you, if it goes down, okay? Well, in the opposite direction of where you think the market is going to go, okay? So this is noteworthy, okay? This, I think, needs time to catch up with the price. And if I had to guess, I'd say that it needs another 30 days. I know the bulls don't want to hear that, but let's go ahead and get to where I think that the thumbnail suggests as far as how and when Dogecoin can make it up to or over $1 or something like that. So what you're looking at down here is this is basically a consolidation range. The price action, the cryptocurrency is always within the consolidation range. Some say, dude, you can't compare this to traditional stocks. That's fine, guys. Candlesticks don't lie. It's basically the story behind buyers and sellers. It's super simple, but a lot of people overcomplicate it. What you're looking at down here is, again, the consolidation range. It started back in July the 8th, 2020. This is the initial, well, not the initial, it actually started within a consolidation range. You see it kind of broke down here, just going sideways, consolidating until the initial break up. If you notice this candle, what we look for is candles' bodies. I don't know if you can actually see this. Notice the candle's body broke above the top of the resistance line. This is an indication that is an official breakout as long as the price does not get back below the actual resistance level and it continues higher. That's how I identify official breakouts or fake outs, okay? And in this case, it appears to be an official breakout as long as the cryptocurrency doesn't get back below this resistance line, okay? So what I'm going to do is measure how much time that is spent within this, again, consolidation range. And we're just going to measure from July the 8th here, 2020, all the way over to this area here, January the 1st, 2020. I think we did this on one of our other videos, but I just want to show you all this because this is how I got my price target and time frame. So it spent 177 days. Stick with me here, okay? This range spent 177 days consolidating sideways within that sideways consolidation pattern, which brings us over to present day here. And assuming that Dogecoin will be stuck within 4.7 cents all the way up to 7.9 cents for some time consolidating. Let's just, well, I'll put my speculative cap on and say that maybe it'll take just as much time that it took for it to sideways consolidate and break out to the upside. Before we get to that, let's just do a really quick measurement on how high the price broke out from the original consolidation range, which is down here. We can see that all the way down here. And all the way up here is what I'm going to measure. I'm saying here to here. Well, the breakout is kind of hard with these numbers. It's like, it's below a penny. It's like 507,000 decimals. I'm sure I said that wrong. But I'm just going to measure from there all the way up to 8.8 cents. So let's go ahead and get our ruler here and measure it on up. And that's how we're going to get our price target. And that's going to be 1,500% to the upside. So essentially, it took 177 days to consolidate within a pattern, right, to produce a 1,500% move to the upside. Stick with me. I'm sure you guys are still with me. You guys are super smart. I know that. And let's say that it took this time here. So in the pattern, February the 6th, 2021. Let's go ahead and measure over 177 days. That's going to give us our date. 177 days reaches over to August the 2nd, 2021. So let's just say that I'm somewhat on the right page here. So let's go ahead and measure up. We've already measured the time frames consolidating within 4.7 all the way up to 7.9 cents. If it were to stay confined within that range and the buyers are going to continue the momentum to the upside, we're just going to measure from the breakout and we're going to measure it up 1,500%, right? And that's how we're going to get break up just like that, 1,500%. And that's how we're going to get our target from Dogecoin if it does that. So let's see, all the way up. Wait, we got to stretch it out more. Hang on, guys. 1,500% brings the cryptocurrency all the way up to $1.27, assuming that it consolidates sideways all the way extended over into August the 2nd, 2021. So that's how I basically got the price target on Dogecoin. And assuming, again, that it has to get really boring, okay? It has to really build up that necessary momentum because remember, well, I don't know if you remember, but we go over this a lot on the channel. The more the price is consolidating within a confined range, the more aggressive the breakout will be. Breakout consists of either direction. Break out of the pattern to the upside or break out of the sideways pattern to the downside, okay? So either direction. If you guys are long-term investing, you already know what you should be doing. I can't give you financial advice, but you're just buying and you're just holding. And, of course, the people who are in and out of the markets, of course, you're buying near the potential support line, right? 4.7, and then you're selling into potential resistance. So that's pretty much all I have. Hopefully this was useful information. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this segment. Hopefully this was some pretty interesting details in terms of the overhead price target that I'm not sure if it has a potential. I'm just giving you the speculative observation of what I can see play out in terms of how much time I would like to see in order for me to feel comfortable knowing that the price will continue to the upside and reach the $1 level that I think a lot of people are actually anticipating to see in this market. So whether or not it's going to happen or not, I'm not sure. Those are the technicals. Hopefully this is useful information again. So we're going to cut it out here. Thank you for your time. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment to support the channel. That's all we ask. And also before you go, if you're new, we cover the traditional markets. We'd love for you to join us if you're into that. So subscribe, hit the bell. We'll send you that information when it is available. And I think we covered everything. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. Be yourselves. Okay, we're going to talk very soon. And bye for now, guys.